In this video, I'm going to show you how you can split clips in Adobe Express. So if you've got one long video and you want to split it up into multiple clips, so you can download them, maybe you want to repurpose them, or maybe you just want a shorter video. So here's how you would do it in Adobe Express. So once you're on the dashboard of Adobe Express, you can go ahead and click the plus icon and then go to video, then click on video. From here, you can go ahead and drag on your media, or you can go ahead and click add media here and then upload from device. I'm going to just choose a video that I had recorded. I'll just choose this one and we'll click open. Here we are inside of the video. Now what we can do if we want to split this, we need to come to the timeline, and here on the timeline you can drag this cursor to the correct part that you want to clip it. So I'm going to clip it here. So what we can do then is we can right click and then click split, or you can just click S on the keyboard. This will then make a split and it will create two separate videos. You can then delete the first one if you need to, or if you need to make another split somewhere, you can do. So you've got this middle video, and then you can delete the other two videos by right clicking and clicking delete, or clicking delete on the keyboard. Now you've got your new split video. You can choose to download it by going to download in the top right. You can then choose MP4, choose original size, and then click download. That video will then go in your downloads, and that's how you can split a video.